Nikki, Osram, the lighting company, its shares floated on the stock market this morning, and they were down slightly. It's obviously a big sort of company in the lighting business, but is it, I wonder, at this particular moment, an attractive investment?
Well, there's a lot of questions in that. Lighting is a difficult area. Things, the old-fashioned incandescent light bulbs, are basically in structural decline. The driver is energy efficiency, so there is a whole stream of products, LED products, that are coming on, where there is very, very strong growth at the moment. But Osram, like Philips, has been in this game for some time.
Yes.
They're the two big players globally. And about 3/4 of its business is basically the traditional products of varying degrees of very traditional to slightly more advanced and environmentally friendly. And then just 1/4 in this high growth area.
Right.
So the business is restructuring quite substantially. There are fears that Japanese and Chinese manufacturers may step up price competition even in that very high growth area. So it's a sort of bit of a mixed bag.
Yeah, and I guess that may be a reason why Siemens was offloading Osram, because it is a bit of a mixed bag, and I suspect it is the kind of company that needs a lot of investment to restructure.
Well, exactly. Siemens is a very large, rather unwieldy growth and company, and there has been a lot of pressure from investors. It's not that its returns are really bad, it's that they're very average, and investors see companies like Schneider Electric, people like that, doing very, very much better. And so there's been a lot of pressure from investors on Siemens to come up with a strategy that really ups its returns, essentially. Yes. Return on capital, return on...
And of course this is the second big transaction for Siemens in a couple of weeks. They
That's
sold
right,
Nokia Siemens Networks
exactly.
Last week.
So it's trying to improve its returns, its margins, and trying to offload some of the businesses that arguably distract management and also tug down the overall performance. And I think, now that it's done two of these, investors are beginning to think that it's really serious about improving its profile.
Okay, well, it's obviously a big day for Osram with its flotation on the stock market, and it's also an important moment, I guess, for Siemens as it continues to restructure itself. Thanks, Nikki.